I wear blue to spread awareness about the reality of what people with autism experience.
I wear blue for my cousin who's on the spectrum and for all of those people with autism who might feel excluded around the world. I'm wearing blue because I want to create a safer community and place for people who experience autism. For me in education, also to learn more of how to be a better teacher. I wear blue to promote autism awareness and to contribute to a more inclusive community here at ANS.
Wearing blue makes me feel powerful.
It is Autism Awareness Day, and blue means peace and honesty.
I'm wearing blue today because I want to support autism awareness.
I'm wearing blue today to demonstrate that we are all different and that we have different strengths and to create awareness.
I wear blue for my son Felipe and for my nephews on the autism spectrum and for families who have neurodiverse children and working towards acceptance in schools and in the community.
Today I'm wearing blue because today is Autism Awareness Day.
I wear blue to support kids with autism and to show them that they are not alone.